Hi there, welcome and thanks for checking out this video. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick review of a plant-based food that I recently tried for the first time. Field Roast's plant-based classic nuggets. So if you're trying to decide whether or not to purchase this product, then this video is exactly what you're looking for. A few weeks ago I saw these at Publix and I just had to try them. I frequently purchase Field Roast products and they've all been very impressive, but since then I've not seen these anywhere else. I went back to get a picture of the price tag today and they still didn't have any of them in stock. These are sold in 10-ounce bags, which is a pretty common size for this type of product, but you can see the price is $6.79, which is the highest that I've paid yet for a plant-based nugget. For comparison, I've included the price of other plant-based chicken products that I've reviewed. The package for the Field Roast Classic Nuggets has a convenient tear-off strip along the top and a reclosable zipper built right into the package. Here's a good look at the classic nuggets before cooking. A serving size is 5 nuggets at 320 calories. I thought this seemed a little high at first, but then I noticed that the serving size is 118 grams, which is quite a bit more than the typical 85-gram serving of similar products. Here are the calories per gram of other chicken products that I've reviewed. You can see that at 2.7 calories per gram, they're consistent with the other products. I decided to cook the entire bag in my air fryer. You can see that I actually got 13 nuggets in this bag, 3 more than the 10 that I was expecting. Cook them for 15 minutes at 325 degrees, checking the temperature every few minutes. By the time I hit 15 minutes, they were over 165, but I wanted them to be nice and golden brown. Here are close-up before and after cooking pictures. Here is a close-up of a cooked classic nugget. You can just hear that crunch when I cut into it. These are definitely some of the more crunchy plant-based nuggets that I've tried so far. I still think that the Morningstar Farms plant-based nuggets are the most crunchy, but these are definitely a close second. Here are a couple of closer pictures of the cooked nuggets. They have a nice golden brown crunchy exterior, soft and tender inside, very much what you would expect from a typical nugget. They are nicely seasoned, have a great aroma, and the meat inside also has the familiar smell of chicken. I serve these cut up into a bowl of white rice, quinoa, roasted yellow and sweet white corn, and a drizzle of soy sauce. It was a sweet, savory, salty, umami, crunchy feast. 3 smiles for taste. Field Roast Classic Nuggets have a golden brown, nicely seasoned, extra crunchy exterior and are soft and tender inside with a chicken-like aroma. They also have a solid 15 grams of protein with no trans fat and no cholesterol. The Classic Nuggets are really great and are one of the most crunchy that I've tasted so far. For value, 2 smiles. Although these are comparable to other plant-based products, they are at least twice as expensive as regular chicken nuggets. The Field Roast Classic plant-based nuggets flavored with roasted garlic and paprika score a good 9 out of 15 in the nutrition category. 3 smiles are awarded in both of these categories, although I do wonder why, at this point, that I have to look at the back of the package to verify that these are vegan. I think it's time that Field Roast put this right on the front of the package like some other companies already do. So are the Field Roast plant-based classic nuggets worth it? Absolutely. I really like these a lot. They are a great addition to what is becoming a very crowded marketplace of plant-based chicken nuggets, and they score a very respectable 20 out of 27, and I definitely recommend them. I've also included the results from my previous plant-based chicken reviews and also my best of the best scorecard. I hope that I provided enough information here so that you can decide if this is something that you want to purchase. Thanks again for checking out this video. I hope that you stick around and check out the rest of my videos. If you found this video helpful, then please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell too so that you are notified when the next review is posted. You can also follow @CharlieVegan on Twitter for the latest updates. Thanks again for watching.